Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to boost your Sunwaves, like how to boost on your Sunwaves account. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So what you'll be needing is your Sunwaves app and the Trust Wallet app. We're using Trust Wallet for this. So when you open your Sunwaves, you can use any other wallets. You can use OKS, but we'll be using Trust Wallet for this. So when you open it, you click on the icon showing SW. Click on it. You see boost now. Click on boost now. So we'll be going for level 5, which is the highest level. Okay, as you can see, you'll be needing 1006 eyes for it. Click on continue. So to complete your upgrade, please send the exact amount of eyes below using BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum or Arbitrum network. So the total price of eyes you're supposed to send is 1006.9976 eyes. Show address. Confirm. So you copy the address. Then when you check the bottom, you see all eyes for this upgrade will be burned. Please make sure that you complete the payment before the time expires. So you need to be fast with the payment. For this, we're not going to be sending the exact amount of eyes. We're going to be adding a little. We're going to be sending 1020 because of gas fee. Just click on copy the address, copy again. Now let's go to our Trust Wallet. Okay, open your Trust Wallet. Now, for you to be able to send eyes, you need some amount of BNB on your Trust Wallet account. So just click on the eyes, click on send, paste the address, then the amount you want to send, 1020 points. Let's check that decimal there, 9776.97. As you can see, the ice is worth about $5.32. So just click on next. Confirm. So you can see the network fee 0.05 BNB, $0.05 worth of BNB. Confirm. Just click on confirm. So it has successfully been sent. After sending, here's what you need to do. Click on transaction details. Then click on more details. You'll be asked for the transaction hash. So you need to copy it here. You can find the transaction hash here. Just click on copy, the copy icon. Now let's head back to the Sunwave. So you sent it. Just click on I have sent. And then click on continue. Select network. So it's BNB Smart Chain we used. Then paste the transaction hash we copied. Continue. Okay, successfully confirmed. Your account has successfully been upgraded. So you've upgraded your account. Now let's check the app to see if our earnings will increase. So now you can see the earnings is now 54. It was 20 before, it has gone to 54 per hour. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, or the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.